Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today will be another fall DIY video. I am so excited to show you how I made this amazing wreath. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. And if you're one of my returning, thank you so much for coming back. Love you guys very much, and let's get with the video. Okay guys, so for this project I'll be using some Dollar Tree ribbon. I got some fall colors. I thought they were really cute. Then I got this sign that I'm gonna try fit it in the middle. And then I got these twisters. They are kind of black sparkly color. I will be using it to tie my mesh to my frame. Then I got some decorated pumpkins, some kind of look like hay, and different colors. It's kind of mixture of different mesh for my wreath, and I'm using a 14-inch wreath form, which is everything from a Dollar Tree. So when I will be getting ready my mesh, it will be about 7-inch long. I will pre-cut most of them, so this way I can just tie them and keep on going, because this is where it's gonna be a time consuming to cut this thing. But I'm using my little knife. It is a perfect, it looks like a pizza cutter, but I love it. And as you can see, I use my board. It already I pre-measured it 7 inches, and I'm just going right at it. And when it's like that, I will be just, and I'm gonna get a couple, so then I'll be tying it to my wreath form. So I decided to go with 3, and on the middle I will be adding burlap. I got this whole big thing from the Dollar Tree, and it was amazing. I need to go back and get another one, so it kind of make it a little bit of better looking and more full on the form, because see, I got all of that, and I pre-cut it like I told you, because this way it's just easy to roll it. So I'm rolling my burlap piece right in the middle of between 2 different colors, and I tie it with my twisters and attaching it to the middle portion of the wreath where there's the 2 lines to it. Okay, so this is how it turned out. I think it turned out pretty good. So what I used the whole row of this 3 color one, and this is what I have left from purple and the orange. And of course I used a little bit, I forgot to mention that, I stumbled through this at my Dollar Tree, and I hope I can go back and get some more. I had the whole row and this is what's left of it. So you don't have to use this if you don't want the burlap in it, but I like it, so I did use it. Now we're gonna decorate it. Well, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video real soon. Bye for now.